Places of worship. There are various places of worship where people go to pray to their God. There is only one God. The belief we have in God is our religion. All religions have their own places of worship and holy books, such as temple. A temple is the Hindu place of worship. The holy book of Hindus is Bhagavad Gita. In a temple, people may perform religious rituals, ceremonies, and offer their prayer. Mosque. The mosque is the Muslim place of worship. The holy book of Muslims is Quran. In a mosque, people may perform religious rituals, ceremony, and offer their prayer. Gurdwara. The gurdwara is the Sikh place of worship. The holy book of Sikh is Guru Granth Sahib. In a gurdwara, Sikhs perform religious rituals, ceremony, and offer their prayer. Church. The church is the Christians' place of worship. The holy book of Christians is the Holy Bible. In a church, people may perform religious rituals, ceremony, and offer their prayer. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel.